Hello, children. Today we are going to learn a new sound and we are going to learn sound words. And what we are going to learn? Sound words. And children, you all have to repeat after me. I will show you some pictures. I will read the words and you all have to look at the pictures very carefully and you will repeat the words after me. Shall we begin? Yes! Let's start! Oh, what a beautiful thing is this! We all love to play with it. So colorful. This is a ball. This is a ball. There are two brothers in this picture. Younger brother and elder brother. And elder brother is tall. Elder brother is tall. Understood, children? Let us see some more examples. Now, in this picture, what do you see? So many bricks are there. And what do we do with so many bricks and cement? We make a wall. We make a wall. Yes, lovely place. I am very sure you all must be missing it. This is a mall. But children, it's better to stay at home and not go to mall. The mouse is small and the lion is big. So, mouse is small. What this boy is doing? He's he's calling his friends loudly. So, call. We all call our friends like this. Call. Very good, children. I am very sure you all must be repeating after me. This boy is pulling the rope with so much of effort. When something is heavy, what do? We pull. We pull. Look at this animal. I am very sure that you all must be knowing who is this animal. This is a bull. This is a bull. Very good, children. Hill. This is a hill. And in this picture, you all can see medicines are there. And we call medicines as pill also. So we can call them pill. This glass is having water and the water is coming out. It is falling. So we can say the water spill. The water spill from the glass. You all can see this is a factory. This is a picture of a factory. There's a huge chimney and pink color smoke is coming out. We can call it a mill also. So factory can be called as a mill. Uh-oh, what is happening over here? The boy is getting scolded by his father. And what the father is doing? He's shouting? Yes, he's shouting. He must have done something wrong. So what we can tell father is yelling. Father yells at the boy. And this is your bell. Ding dong bell. Oh, what a pretty doll. I know you all must be loving it. She's so pretty. Lovely doll. This is a well. With the help of a rope and a bucket, we draw water from the well. This is a well. You all must have seen in your village. The girl is smelling the flower. Nice smell. Mmm, what she is telling in the ears. She tells. So, tell. Now, let us see some more sound words. All, all. I like all the children. Hall, hall. Stall, stall. Vegetable vendors sell vegetables on stall. And this bucket is full of berries. So this bucket is full. Fill. Let us fill our water bottle. Fill. Till. We have to stay at home till lockdown is there. Kill. The lion kills the deer. Kill. And this is bill. You all must have seen this kind of paper. That is a bill. Hell, hell, cell, cell, spell, spell. What happened to this boy? Oh, he fell. He fell. Now, children, I am very sure you all must have repeated all these words after me. Now, what you have to do is that you have to practice these words again and again. Thank you, children.